Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Mumbai Municipal Corporation Online Education Department, Online Education of Municipal Corporation. Today we are going to learn your maths topic, that is perimeter. The main topic is perimeter, and the subtopic is there, that is perimeter of triangle, rectangle, and square. Yes. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. Yogesh Kore from Dharavi Transit Camp English School number 1. Our administrative officer, Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre ma'am, nodal bit officer, Mr. Sharad Kurhade sir, our HM, Mrs.Ujwala Konda ma'am, and our CNO, Mr. Ratilal Burungule sir. Let's start the today's Zoom session with a very good thought. Can you read the thought for me? Yes?
Education is the key to success.
Yes. Education is the key to success. That means education have a very important importance in our life. Education is important tool that can bring you a more success in our society also. The more knowledge you gain, the more opportunity will open up to allow the individual to achieve the better possibility in career or in personal growth. It also means that education makes us aware of knowledge, skills, and ethics. It helps us to progress further. Without education, we can't read or write. That means we will be deprived of valuable information and wisdom. It makes people more aware not only of the world but about themselves too. And when you know your strength, you can easily take the right path to a successful career. That means education is very important one. So we should educate people, and we should uh, learn ourselves also. Okay. Now there are some pictures for you. You have to recognize the picture. Can you see the picture on your screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Which one?
Rectangle.
Which?
Rectangle.
Triangle.
Triangle.
See carefully and then give the answer. Yes.
Triangle.
It's a triangle. It's not a rectangle. It's a triangle. Yes. Very good. That's great. It's a triangle. Why? Can you tell me why it is called as triangle? Yes. Do you know about why it is called as triangle? Can you explain? Because this figure has only three sides, right? And whenever uh, figure is given in this figure, if three sides are given,
Three
that
sides
figure
are
is
given.
called as triangle. Very simple one. Yes. Let's see the next one. Yes. Which one is figure is given?
Rectangle.
Four sides.
Yes.
Four
Yes.
sides.
This figure is four
Rectangle
sides.
is, yes, this figure has
Four
four sides. Yes. And there are various features of rectangles, that opposite sides are of equal length, right?
Yes.
And opposite sides are directly across from each other, right? And each angle, there are four corners, and each corner carries 90-degree angle. That means right angle. And this is a rectangle. And the last one figure is, yes, can you tell me which
Square.
figure is given?
Square.
Yes,
Square.
Four sides.
square is given.
This
Square
figure
also
is
has
four.
also has a four
Four
sides.
sides.
That means four corners are given. Okay. Now all the four sides are of equal length. Yes, you have to remember this related whenever we discuss about the square. The square, all the sides of a square are of equal length. So till now we have seen the figures of first uh, triangle, rectangle, and this one is square.
Yes.
So today we are going to learn the perimeter of all these figures. That is perimeter of triangle, perimeter of rectangle, and perimeter of square. This is very simple one. You have to observe the screen carefully. Which are the formulas to calculate the perimeter of triangle, rectangle, and square. Very simple one. Let's start the today's session. Yes. Yes. First, we will what we do. first we learn the definition what is mean by perimeter. So here you can see perimeter is equal to peri plus metron. The perimeter which word is given here, it is derived from two words. Yes, it is derived from two words. First word is peri. Peri means around. Around means whatever figure is given, all the length of that figure.
All
Peri
the
means around and metron means measure. So the perimeter, this word is derived from two words, that is peri plus metron, and peri means around and metron means measures. Perimeter is the total distance of all the sides of a closed plane figure. What is meant by perimeter? Or in another words, you can say the sum of length of all the sides of a closed plane figure. Whatever figure is given, and in this Zoom session, we are going to learn the perimeter of triangle, rectangle, and square. So it is the sum of length of all the sides of a closed plane figure. Let's see first. Yes, as I told you, the perimeter of triangle, rectangle, and square.
square.
Yes, yes. Here are also some figures are given. That is triangle,
Square.
which is indicated in blue color. In green color, there is a rectangle, and in black color, it's a square. Okay.
Square.
Yes. Let's see first. Let's see about the triangle. What is mean by triangle? As I told you, a triangle has only three sides.
Three sides.
Yes. All triangles may not look the same, but they all have three sides. You can see here there are various types
Yes.
of triangles. Okay. But each triangle has only three sides. Right? You can see here. Yes, only three sides are given, so we called this figure as a triangle. Okay, let's see which are the formulas to calculate the perimeter of triangle. So here are some formula you can see, and with the help of that formula, we have to put the values in the formula, and we have to calculate the perimeter of triangle. Yes, here you can see one example is there. Yes. Which measurements are given? Can you tell me in the figure?
6 centimeter, 5
6
centimeter,
centimeter, 5 centimeter, 9 centimeter.
Yes. A triangle has, as you know that, a triangle has three sides. And here is one example is given for you. Each side
6
can, first side is 6 centimeter,
centimeter.
another side is 5 centimeter, and next side is 9 centimeter. So here is example is given. Find the perimeter of triangle whose sides are of 6 centimeter, 9 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. What will be the solution for this? P is equal to A plus B plus C. A means one side, B means another side, and C means next side. Okay. And as you know that there are only three sides and three measurements are given. So what we have to do? First, you will write the formula. P. P is equal to P stand for perimeter. The short form is used here. P is equal to A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C means sides
Perimeter.
of that closed plane figure. Yes,
Yes.
yes. So put the value in place of A 6, in place of B 9, in place of C 5. So 6 plus 9 plus 5, 6 plus 9 15 plus 5 is equal to 20 centimeters. And here measurements are given in centimeters, so you will write 20 centimeter. And you should remember, if the measurements are given in meter, that time you have to write the meters in the answer. Okay, so here centimeters are given, so you will write 20 centimeter. Yes, very good. Yes, here is another example for you.
Yes.
Yes, which measurements are given?
A 3 centimeter,
3 centimeter, B 4 centimeter, C 5 centimeter.
Yes, very good.
12 centimeter.
Yes, very good, very good. The perimeter is equal to sum of length of all the three sides. Right? Sum of length of all the three sides. So which are the three sides? First one is 3 centimeter, second one is 4 centimeter, and third one is 5 centimeter. These are the three sides of this closed plane figure, and this closed plane figure is called as triangle. Right? So put the value like the same way, put the value 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. You will get the your answer, that is 12 centimeter. And here also measurements, that is units are given in centimeters. So you will write the centimeter in the answer. So the 12 centimeter is the answer, final answer. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Here is another example for you.
5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter.
Yes, the sides of a triangle are 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 7 centimeter. What is its perimeter? There is question mark. And here are 4 options are given. You can tell orally also.
18 centimeter,
Yes,
13
very good.
centimeter, 11 centimeter, 12 centimeter.
Yes, there are 4 options.
Sir, 80 centimeter.
Yes, 18 centimeter. How will you know the answer? That we have to put the same formula, that is 5 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. You will get 18 centimeter. Yes. So the option number 1 is correct one. And you will find such type of questions in competitive exam. Now you are in 5th standard. So there is another scholarship exam is there. If you give the exam of scholarship, you can find such type of example in maths. Okay, on the basis of this perimeter, in the exam also 1 or 2 questions are asked on perimeter and area.
Yes,
Right, this topic is very important one, perimeter and area. On this topic 1 or 2 questions are asked in competitive exam, that is your scholarship exam in maths paper. Okay, mathematics paper. Yes,
Yes.
here, so the 18 centimeter is the answer for this question. Okay, now we will
What,
see about the
what
next
is
figure.
the rectangle?
Next closed plane figure, and the name of the
rectangle.
closed plane figure is rectangle. Yes, it is given in green color. Yes, here are features of rectangles are given.
Yes.
The rectangle has 4 sides, as I told you, 4 sides, 4 square corner or right angle. Each corner carry 90-degree angle, means right angle. And as I told you, opposite sides are of equal length and opposite sides are directly across from each other. Yes, these are the features of this closed plane figure, and name of the closed plane figure is rectangle. Now let's move to the next slide, and you will come to know about what is the formula to calculate the perimeter of rectangle. Yes, to find the perimeter of rectangle, what you have to do, you have to remember one formula. And what is the formula? Perimeter is equal to 2 into, in bracket, length plus breadth, or you can say width, right? Bracket is closed here. So P is equal to 2 in bracket length plus breadth. Here is the formula, and here is one example is given for you. Yes, two sides are given 6 centimeter, length is given, that is 6 centimeter, and breadth is given, that is 9 centimeter. Yes, and let's read the example. If the length of a rectangle is 9 centimeter and its breadth is 6 centimeter, find the perimeter of rectangle. So what will you do? How will you solve this example?
15 centimeter.
9 plus 6, 15.
Yes, very good. The first stage of while solving these examples, such type of example based on rectangle, that time you should put the formula, that is P is equal to, as I told you, P stand for perimeter. Their short form is used. The P is equal to 2 into, in bracket, length plus breadth. So to put the value in place of L, length, and put the value in place of breadth, that is width. So 2 in bracket 9 plus 6, 2 into 15 and 30 centimeter is the answer for this question. Okay.
Yes.
So remember the formula to calculate the perimeter of rectangle. Yes, very good. Well done. Yes, here is another example is given. Only figure is given. You have to calculate the perimeter of rectangle. So can you tell me orally?
Sir,
5 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 5 centimeter,
5
9 centimeter.
centimeter, 5 centimeter. Teacher, 28 is answer.
28.
Yes.
No, something went wrong. You have to put the formula.
That's 28.
28.
Yes, okay, good. Yes, okay, good, good. 28 centimeter. So here is also same method you have to use. 2 into bracket length plus breadth. Length is given that is 9 centimeter and breadth is given that is 5 centimeter. So 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 14 to the 28. So you will get answer that is 28 centimeter. So let's see the another example. What is the length and what is the breadth? Which units are given?
Centimeter
Measurement.
length, 3 centimeter length.
Breadth. Okay, breadth means width.
3
Huh?
centimeter and 3 centimeter.
Yes. Length is given that is 7 centimeter and breadth is given that is 3 centimeter. So like the same way, you will follow the same method. 2 into L plus B and it means length plus breadth. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 and 2 tens are 20.
2 tens are 20.
Tens are?
This 20 centimeter.
20 centimeter is the final answer for this question. Okay, very good. Yes. So this is all about rectangle. Now let's see about the square, which is given in black color. Yes. A square has, as I told you, a square has 4 equal sides and 4 right angle. It also has 4 corners and each carry 90-degree angle. 4 right angles are there and 4 equal sides are there in the closed plane figure, that is square. Okay. Let's see the formula to calculate the perimeter of square.
12
Yes.
centimeter, 12 centimeter.
Yes. Let's see first formula and then we will see the example. P is
Find
equal to
the
4 into side. Yes, 4 into side. 4 multiplied by side. So here is one example is given for you. The side is given that is 12 centimeter. And find the perimeter of square whose side is 12 centimeter. So solution is given here. P is equal to, P stand for perimeter. P is equal to 4 into side and 4 into side. Put the values in place of side. 12.
12 are 48.
Yes, very good. Well done. So 48 centimeter is the answer. That is, what is the answer? 48 centimeter. This is the perimeter of this closed plane figure. And the name of the closed plane figure which are given in black color, that is called as square. Yes. Let's see another question. Yes. Which side is given? What is the measurement of side?
5 centimeter,
5
4 centimeter, 4
centimeter.
centimeter.
5
Yes.
centimeter.
Yes. So you will put the same formula here. 4 into side. So 4 into side is given that is 5 centimeter. So perimeter is equal to 4 into 5 is equal to,
Sir,
perimeter is equal
5
to
are 20. 4 5s are 20.
20. Yes. 4 5s are 20,
Answer
not 18.
20. 20 centimeter.
Yes. That's great. Perimeter is equal to 20 centimeter. And so 20 centimeter is the answer for this closed plane figure, that is square. Yes, here is another example.
3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter.
Yes. One side of square is given that is 3 centimeter. So you will follow the same method. Perimeter is equal to 4 into side. Perimeter is equal to 4 into 3. That is 4 3s are 12 centimeter. Yes, well done.
Well,
Perimeter is equal to 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter is the answer for this closed plane figure, that is square. Yes, here is also, you can tell orally also. There is no need to solve on the in your notebook or on rough book or rough page. You can tell orally also. One side is given, that is 5 centimeter, and you can recognize this figure is given, that is square, and perimeter is equal to 5 into side is equal to 20 centimeter. 5 fours are 20 centimeter. Yes, very good. Yes, here are some various figures are given, and from each figure you have to calculate. First, you have to recognize
Four
which figure is
centimeter,
given.
4 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 1 centimeter.
Yes, don't hurry. Yes,
Sir, 10
yes,
centimeter. Because there is 4 2 is equal to
yes. First, you have to tell what is the name of the figure. Can you tell me the first figure?
rectangle. 12 answer.
Yes, very good. What will the answer for first question?
4
First figure?
10.
answer.
10.
10.
Okay, very good. Very good, very good. What about the next question? That is second question.
3
12.
3
centimeter,
plus 3 plus 3 plus 3.
3.
Fifth answer.
6 plus 6 is equal to 12 centimeter.
12.
Okay.
14.
12.
Yes. Okay.
12.
Third figure.
12 centimeters.
12.
What is the perimeter of triangle?
12
Third figure. Yes, very good.
3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5
Yes.
centimeter.
As you know, the formula to calculate the perimeter of triangle, that is sum of length of all the sides of a closed plane figure, that is 5 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay. Let's see the fourth figure. What is the name of the figure?
Rectangle.
Yes, very good. That's great. This figure is of rectangle. You should first you have to recognize which
Yeah.
figure is given, whether it is triangle, whether it is rectangle, or whether it is a
Square.
rectangle. Square. Sorry. Okay. So what is will the answer for this question? Question number 4. The figure is given. Which are the measurements are given?
18. 1
Yes,
8.
very good. Yes. For this figure, you should remember the formula to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle. So 2 into in bracket length plus breadth. So length is given, that is 7 centimeter, and breadth is given, that is 2 centimeter. So length plus breadth, that is 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, and 9 twos are 18. So the perimeter is equal to 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter is the answer for the fourth question. Let's see the next question. Question number 5. The figure is given.
Square.
First, you should tell me what is the name of the figure.
Square.
14 answer.
Square.
Can you observe which measurements are given, whether it is square or rectangle?
Square.
Length, the measurements are given 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter.
14.
You should see the carefully which figure is given, whether it is triangle or square. Sorry, whether it is rectangle or square.
Where?
Square.
Rectangle. Rectangle.
Yes, it's a rectangle, not a square. Okay. Why? Because as I told you, opposite sides are of equal length. When we study about rectangle, opposite sides are of equal length, and they opposite sides are directly across from each other, right? And there are 4 corners, and each carries 90-degree angle. So this figure is of a rectangle. So what will be the answer? 2 into
14.
bracket length plus breadth. Yes, 4 plus 3, 7, and 7 plus 7 to the 14 centimeter. Yes, very good. So 14 centimeter is the answer for the 5th question. Very good. Yes. Here is another question for you. Can you read the question?
Write the perimeter of each figure in the box given. 20 centimeter plus 16 plus 7 plus 4.
Yes. What will the answer? Can you calculate the answer? 16 plus 14 plus
57
20 plus 7.
57 centimeter.
Yes, very good. 57 centimeter is the answer for the first figure. Well done. Yes. Can you tell me the another second figure which is given? What will be the answer for this figure?
8
Very
centimeter,
simple one.
8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 10 plus 6 plus 6 plus 10 plus.
Yes, very good. It's very simple one. Just you have to make an addition of all the measurements which are given. Yes, it's very simple one. You can tell orally also.
That's
Yes,
56 answer.
I'm waiting for you.
48.
Yes, better.
56
Yes,
answer.
48.
48 is the correct answer for the second question. See carefully. 10 plus 6 plus 6 plus 10 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 48 centimeter is the answer for the second figure. Yes. Here you can see another figure. This third figure is given. What will be the answer for this figure?
8 meter, 8 meter, 18
You have to
meter.
calculate the perimeter of each figure, and third figure is given.
Sir,
12
64
12
answer.
meter.
64 answer.
See carefully. Is there any mistake?
Oh,
Yes. Good. 64 meter,
64
not
meter.
centimeter. Yes.
64
Meter
meter.
measurements are given in meter unit is used here. So you will, yes, 64 meter is the answer for the third question. Okay, very good. Yes. So these are the examples which are based on only closed plane figure. Here are two examples which are based on, or you can say word problem are given, and such type of questions are asked in also are asked in your competitive exam, that is scholarship exam, right?
Yes.
So you have to imagine with the help of this sentence whether it is a figure of triangle, whether it is a rectangle, or whether it is square, right? The figure is not given here. You have to read the first you have to read the sentence very carefully, and then you have to draw the image whatever it will be.
How
So
much
let's
we?
see, let's read the first question.
How
Yes, can you read the first question for me, so all students can listen it properly? Yes, first
2
question.
equal length plus 2 equal breadth. Formula.
No, first you will read the question and then you will tell the answer. Read the question first.
Two seven, two sevens, 2 into 7 centimeter plus 2 to 4 is the centimeter. 2 into 4
Yes.
centimeter.
Okay. I'll read. First question is given. How much wire will be needed to make a rectangle 7 centimeter long and 4 centimeter wide? And there is question mark. Yes. How much wire will be needed to make a rectangle of 7 centimeter long and 4 centimeter wide? From this sentence, whenever you read this sentence, you will come to know about, we are discussing about the figure, that is rectangle. Yes, and you are very known about the formula to calculate the perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into bracket length plus breadth, or you can write it as a 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. The same formula is there. So yes, so you will put the value in place of length and in place of breadth. So 2 into 7 centimeter plus 2 into 4 centimeter, right? Whenever you calculate this example, you will get the answer. 2 sevens are 14 centimeter
14
and
centimeter
2 fours
plus
are 8 centimeter.
8.
So when you will add both this number, that is 14 centimeter plus 8
Plus 8.
centimeter is equal to,
Answer
you
is
will get
22 centimeter.
22 centimeter. Yes. So
The answer,
as in the question,
the length
yes.
of the wire required is 22 centimeter.
Yes, the length of wire required the length of wire required is 22 centimeter. Yes, 22 centimeter is the answer for this question. And you should remember, whenever such type of questions are asked, the figure is not given in the example. You have to imagine with the help of that sentence. Okay. Yes.
If the length
Let's
of
read the. Yes, you can read. Yes, continue.
if the length of a triangle in is 20 meter and its width
Width or breadth. You can say width or breadth. Okay, it's the same.
is
Alternative word.
20 meter, what is its perimeter?
Yes, you should read it carefully. Something went wrong while reading. If the length of rectangle, you have read it as a triangle. Yes, it's a rectangle. So I will read it again for all the students. If the length of rectangle is 20 meter and its width is 12 meter, what is its perimeter? From this sentence, whenever you read this sentence, you will come to know about we are discussing about the figure that is a rectangle, not triangle, huh? Or not square. It's a rectangle. So simply you will put the same formula. The perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into in bracket length plus breadth, or you can say the same formula 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Yes, same formula you have to use. There is no there is nothing new. So you will put the values in place of length 2 into 20 meter and 2 into plus 2 into 12 meter. 12 is the breadth, यानी कि width. Oh, okay. So 22 za 40 meter plus 2 12 za 24 meter is equal to
22
40 meter plus 24 meter
plus
is equal
24,
to
64
64
meter.
meter.
The perimeter
Yes,
of the triangle is 64 meter.
meter. Yes. So according to this example, perimeter is asked here. We have to find the perimeter in this second example. So you will get the answer. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 64 meter. Yes. So you should practice such type of examples at your home, because these such type of examples are mostly such type of examples are asked in your scholarship exam for 1 or 2 marks. Right?
Yes.
Yes. And here is another homework for you. So you can note down the homework. Only 2 questions are for you. Yes, you can write it in your notebook, or you may take a screenshot and
I taken
find the answer
screenshot.
for the. Yes, very good.
I take screenshot.
You can write it in your notebook, or you may take a
Each
screenshot
side,
also.
each
Yes,
side of a square
yes,
is
it's very simple
9
one.
meter long. Find
Yes,
its
it's very
perimeter.
simple one. You can tell orally also.
Yes.
Each side of square is 9 meter long. Find its very perimeter. Can you tell me orally answer? What will the answer? Okay, you will solve it in your notebook. This is your homework, right? Okay.
The
Have you taken
side.
screenshot?
Yes, I taken.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Or you may write it in your notebook also. So solve these 2 examples in your notebook. Okay, and keep the practicing of the topic that is perimeter. So for the today's Zoom session, we will stop here. You have another lecture that is Marathi, so you can continue with the same lecture, same link. Okay.
Yes.
So thank you. We will stop here.
Thank you. Stay home, stay
Join
safe.
another meeting.
Bye.
So stay
Have a
home,
nice
stay safe.
day.
Okay.
Have a
Have a
nice
nice day.